Well, hey there, folks. Kevin Greenspan with our Blueprint to Weight Loss program. And how exciting. We are now looking at week 3 for you guys. Hey, pat yourselves on the back. You know, probably at this point, you've got some coworkers that have probably mentioned that your face may be looking a little thinner these days. I'm sure by now you're starting to feel a little bit of difference in your clothes at least. Remember, this is not a contest to see how many pounds you can lose as quickly as you can lose. This is about you taking care of your body to get your body healthy, to more appropriately and naturally process food, and your relationship with exactly how much food does it really take to get you through the day. One thing we all learn about as we go through this program is we are really surprised at how little food that we really need to get through our day, and we all have typically overeaten way too much, okay? It's just the way that it was. Notice was, it's not the way it is. We're learning how to be better with our food. Okay, so we have week number 3, okay? So how are you feeling? This is the time to get real in touch with, third week now. You should be starting to experience maybe a little more energy change. You should be possibly having some clearer mentation, some thinking clear, your thoughts coming quicker, probably your memory coming back a little bit. You want to make sure at this point in the program, even though your appetite is probably starting to drop, just because you're not hungry doesn't mean you don't want to eat food. You want to definitely eat the food in the portions that it's laid out using your spoons and your cups and your portion control tools to make sure you're eating exactly the portions you're supposed to be eating. Don't go by your appetite, okay? That's definitely probably getting less and less. You don't want to starve yourself. If you think because you're going to eat less food, you're going to lose more weight, it's the opposite. You start eating less than that's on this program at the point that you're in for what phase that you're in, you can probably put your body into feeling where it's in a starvation mode and your body's going to want to hang on to anything, and it'll be difficult to take that off. So please, just follow the protocols, eat the food that you're supposed to be eating whether you're hungry or not, okay? Let's see, you know, sometimes people that have had more weight to lose will tend to lose a little more weight. You know, people that are coming into this program needing to lose, 10 to 20, 25 pounds. You know, your weight coming off of there is going to be a little more slowly, taking 2 or 3 months to get to your goal weight. So just be patient. Again, it's happening. It's not time for competition. And it really is time now to be starting to think about, as you go through this week, what your end goals are going to be when you get done with that 30 days. Let's really get clear about how much have you gotten close to your target in that first 30 days. Were you a person that, needed to take off a lot of weight? And, you may need to do the program twice and do the whole thing all over again. Or if you didn't really need very much support, you may be kind of like almost all done at the end of the 30 days and just maintain the tools that you've learned through this process. But we have all different tier levels of support. We've got a wonderful wellness, a 90-day wellness program. So remember, we really want you to be successful with this for the long term. So one of the biggest benefits of this whole Blueprint program is we have a wellness program on there where you even get 2 of the herbs that come with the plan, which can even be some of the protein powder if you like taking the shakes once in a while, okay? When you get done with the 30 days. Or you may have some needs for cravings, or you may have had a higher challenge with your thyroid, so you may need some supplements specifically for the thyroid. We have a very affordable, when you get done with that 30 days, matriculating you into a program where you'll still get phenomenal, and then it really starts to get exciting, the information you get online, because now you're starting to be able to have a healthier lifestyle. So we ramp up wonderful lifestyle changes for you, and it's all in that wellness program for you. So we will need to kind of ascertain whether the foods that you like to eat are more like a Mediterranean diet or versus a paleo type diet. So start discussing that with your clinician, and it's exciting. Get ready. We're kind of getting close to getting to the end of the 30 days, and will we continue on with continuing on your blueprint to weight loss for permanent weight loss. Thanks for hanging in there. This is great.